Hello guys, welcome back to Tronic Synergy. So last time we had a 7-segment display here, which was being driven by its own 4511, which was getting its BCD input from the 4029 binary counter. And so I removed it, and the reason is because I don't know what the problem is. I've tried a lot to check and try troubleshooting, but it still didn't work. So I'm still going to check and figure out what's happening, because the 7-segment is okay, is functioning well, and the 4511 is also functioning well. So I don't know if it's my connection wrong or why. Yeah, so I'll still check and I'll tell you guys. So for now, I decided, so rather than having a display, because the display function was to show the user what he or she is pressing at the set. So when they press set, it could display in the output what they are pressing, the number at which they are pressing. So right now you're just going to display it using LEDs, just the same as the other 4029 from the clock, which is driven by the clock. So so the set, and this is the reset. You press it until it goes off like that. One more thing, right here we have the set. We have the CD4029 from the clock. So this one, pin number 15, which is the clock input, is driven by the big clock, which is the seconds generator right there on top, the green LED. So this green jumper is the one getting information from the clock and giving it to this IC. So the issue was, I want this one to get synchronized with the clock display or the clock itself, because right now it's at 0 and this one is the one going at 0. They are not matching. As you can see, this one is at 6. And let me just adjust for you to see. If you know a little bit about binary, you can see that they are not at sync. So we want them to be at sync. And what the fix that I've decided that I'll go with, I'll be waiting for this one to go to 9. So once it goes to 9, then I press. Okay, I've gone a little bit too early, so let me wait for the other 9. Then like that. So right now they start at the same. So if you still know a little bit about binary, you can check, and you can confirm that they are going at the same. Yes, like that. You can see 0 0. Yes. So right now they are at sync. So that's the fix that we're going to use, because trying to manipulate it using the pin number 1, which is the preset, it's not really efficient. Sometimes it goes off, sometimes it turns on the LEDs, all the LEDs. So to fix that, we're just going to do it like that. Yeah, and once they are at sync, nothing is going to distort them. They are going to go at the same. So this one is the one that's going to be compared to what you set as the user. So if I set my value that I want, let's say this is number 6, and if they are alike with this one, then they are going to go to the time matcher, which if it detects that this one is the same as the one from the clock, then it's going to give an output to the siren module, which is going to do the rest of the job, which is just turning on a buzzer or an LED or whatever thing that you're going to put at the time matcher. So that's the circuit, and those are the fixes that we have gone with. Yeah, so thank you very much guys for watching. Please subscribe Tronic Synergy, and if you have any suggestions or comments, you can just leave them in the comment section and I'll be glad to check them out, guys. So yeah, so thank you, and I hope to see you next time when you put a time matcher. Goodbye.